In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or create glitch effect in Shotcut. So I have here a video that I'd like us to add glitch effect. To do so, first click on the track, and here we go. Then go to filters, and then add a filter, and here search for glitch. We have glitch here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see the glitch. However, it is not that smooth, and I like to go ahead and adjust these presets. So if we go ahead and reduce the color intensity to almost 0, here we go, and then also adjust the black height. Just adjust it to a level that you feel you're comfortable. For instance, we can do it to that level and try and play it. Now look at that. That is pretty nice. So you can also go ahead and add RGB shift. This will add more effects on your glitch, and it will look like that. So if you're not comfortable with RGB effects, you can just remove it, and then you just add, and then you just remain with the glitch. And now if we play our video, here we go. Our glitch effects have been added. So that's how you add glitch effects on videos in Shotcut. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.